This is the continuation of a multi-part video tutorial. If you have not already watched the introduction video and completed all the previous sections of this tutorial, please visit http://salesforceapp.nx1.com. This is where you will find all the videos to the previous sections. You will need to complete the steps found in those videos in order for this application to work correctly. This is the final video in this series. In this video, we will complete the final steps to connect the AgilePoint NX application that we created to Salesforce. Then, I will show you the workflow in action. Let's get started. Click on the browser tab that we have open for Salesforce. Next, click on Setup in the upper right corner of the screen. It will take you to the Salesforce Setup page. On the Setup page, navigate to the Quick Find search box in the left side menu and type Process Builder. From the search results, go to Build, then Create. From Create, go to Workflow and Approvals. Click on Process Builder. This will take you to the Process Builder My Processes page. This will be where we start to build our Salesforce process model and workflow. If there were any processes defined and available for use, this is where they would be listed. Since there are no processes defined, we will need to create one. To begin, click on the New button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will open the New Process window. Here you will be able to enter the process name, the API name, a description, and set the Process Starts When field. Click the process name select box and type NDA Review. The API name will be the same as the process name. Next, click on the Process Starts When select box and select a Record Changes from the drop-down list. Click the Save button. This will take you to the Process Builder NDA Review page, where you will build the process model and workflow in Salesforce. Click on Add Object in the first task box at the start of the process model. This will open the Choose Object and Specify When to Start the Process Edit window on the right side of the screen. Click the Object Select box and type Opportunity. Select Opportunity from the results. In the Start the Process section, click on When a Record is Created or Edited radio button. Click the Save button. Next, click on Add Criteria in the Condition text box. In the Define Criteria for this action group edit window, click on the Criteria Name text box and type Proposal/Price quote. We will leave the Criteria for Executing Actions radio button checked on Conditions are met. Next, in the Set Conditions box, click on Field. In the Select a Field edit window, click on the Select box and type Stage. From the results in the Select box, click Stage. Click the Choose button. Next, in the Set Condition box, click the Value Select box and select Proposal Price Quote from the list. Then click on Advanced and check the checkbox next to Yes. This means whenever the opportunity stage is set to Proposal Price Quote in the current iteration of changes, it will initiate the workflow. This will help to avoid duplicate triggers. Click the Save button. Next, we will click the Immediate Actions task on the right of the True branch of the Proposal Price Quote condition. In the Select and Defined Edit window, click on the Action Type Select box and select Apex from the list. In the Action Name text box, type Initiate Workflow. Click on the Select box for Apex class and select AgilePoint Workflow Launcher. Then in the Set Apex Variables box, click on the Values text box in the AgilePoint Process Model row and type NDA Review. This will match the name of the process model in AgilePoint. Next, click the ID Select box under Type in the Record ID row and select Reference from the list. Then click on the Find a Field search box. And in the Select a Field window, click on the Opportunity Select box and type Opportunity. From the results, select Opportunity ID. This tells the workflow which opportunity is being changed, so that the AgilePoint workflow is context aware. Click the Choose button. Click the Save button at the bottom left of the Select and Define action window. Click the Activate button at the top right corner of the screen. An Activate Version alert box will show. This is informing you that if you have another version of this process running, it will deactivate the older version before activating the newer version of the process. Click on the Confirm button to continue. This completes the setup and activation of the NDA review process in Salesforce. Next, we will click the Back to Setup link in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take us back to the Setup page in Salesforce. From here, we have the option to go out to our opportunity and initiate it by clicking on Opportunities in the top menu and then choosing our opportunity and changing the stage to Proposal Price Quote. Before we do that, let's create a way to see our workflow history and what workflows are being initiated from particular opportunities. This is an optional step, but it will certainly be nice to have. To begin, on our Setup page, go to Build and in the left side menu, click on Customize. In the Customize submenu, scroll down and locate Opportunities. Click on Opportunities, and from the list, click on Buttons, Links, and Actions. Here we will be adding a custom button called Workflow History within the record. This way we will be able to see which workflow the record is associated with. On the Opportunity page in the Buttons, Links, and Actions section, click on the New Button or Link. Here, on the New Button or Link page, you will be able to define your custom button. In the Custom Button or Link Edit section, click on the text box for Label and type Workflow History. Type Workflow History in the text box for the name as well. Then for Display Type, click on the Detailed Page button, Radio button. Next, click the Behavior Select box and select Display in Existing Window without Sidebar or Header option from the drop-down list. The content source will be URL. Next, you will need to enter the dynamic URL in the Formula Builder content box. The URL will point to one of AgilePoint's Visualforce pages, which was deployed along with AgilePoint. Please note there are 2 underscores in this URL. In the record ID parameter, you will insert your current opportunity ID. Click the Check Syntax button at the bottom of the Formula Builder box. This will make sure that the syntax is structured properly. If there are no errors, the No Syntax Errors in Merge Fields or Functions message will show in green text under the Check Syntax button. Click the Save button at the bottom of the page. After you click the Save button, an alert box will show, informing you that the button will not be displayed until it is added to the page layout. Click the OK button. When you click the OK button in the alert box, it will take you to the Workflow History page. Go to the left side menu and under Build in the Opportunities submenu, click on the Page Layout link. This will take you to the Opportunity Page Layout page. In the Opportunity Page Layout section, click on Edit for Opportunity Layout under Page Layout Name. In the next screen, in the Opportunity Layout box, click on Buttons under Fields. This will show you the buttons that you have available to use in the right column in the Opportunity Layout box. You should see a button named Workflow History. Scroll down to the Opportunity Details section. Click on the Workflow History button and drag and drop it to the box that turns green when you hover over it, labeled Custom Buttons, at the end of the Opportunity Details section. Click the Save button in the top menu of the Opportunity Layout box. When the layout is done being saved, you will be taken back to the Opportunity Page Layout page. You are now ready to test the workflow. In the top menu, click Opportunities. On the Opportunities page, click on the opportunity to open it. For this demo, I will select Burlington Textiles, which is one of the existing opportunities that comes with the Salesforce Development Organization. Click on Account Name under Opportunity Detail to be able to edit this opportunity's information. Since we are sending this task email to the primary contact for this demo, I will change the email address to my email address for the primary contact. This way I will receive the task email notification. To change the email, click on Edit in the Contact section under Action. On the Contact Edit page, in the Contact Edit section, click on the email text box and type in your email address and click the Save button in the top menu on that section. This will take you back to the Burlington Textiles account page, and from there click on Opportunities in the top menu. On the Opportunities page, click on Burlington Textiles in the Recent Opportunities section. You can see the Workflow History button that we made in the top menu of the Opportunity Detail section. Click on the Workflow History button. You can see that there is no AgilePoint process associated with this record. Click your Browser Back button to go back to the Burlington Textile opportunity. Once back in the Burlington Textile opportunity page, go to the Stage field in the Opportunity Details section. You will notice that it is set to the Prospecting stage, and this will be the reason that we did not see any AgilePoint process associated with the record when we clicked on the Workflow History button. To change the stage so we can initiate a workflow in AgilePoint, click the Edit button in the top menu of the Opportunity Details section. This will open the Opportunity Edit page where we can edit the stage. Click the Stage Select box and select Proposal Price Quote from the drop-down list. Click the Save button in the top menu of the Opportunity Edit section. This will initiate a workflow in AgilePoint, and if you click on the Workflow History button, you will see that the NDA review application has been initiated. If you click on View Process, under the Process Viewer URL, you will see the visual workflow of this process instance. You can see that this has gone through the Salesforce Get Opportunity Owner Information task and is now sitting in the Upload NDA step. If you want, you have the option to open the Upload NDA task by clicking on the task in the process model. This will open the Activity Information Upload NDA window. Click on the Participants tab in the Actions column and click on the arrow to open the task. By opening the task here, it will navigate you away from the Process Viewer window. So we will open the task in another browser window. First, close the Activity Information Upload NDA window. Then go to the AgilePoint dashboard in the top menu and right-click on it, and select Open Link in a new tab. This will open the AgilePoint dashboard in Salesforce. Click on the My Task tab to see the list of tasks that are available. In the Task Name column, click on the Upload NDA task that is available, and from the list, select the Open Task option. This will open the Upload NDA task in the new browser window. As you can see, all the read-only fields are pre-populated from the opportunity, and there is an Upload NDA document field. Click on the Drop File Here to Upload field to open the window where you will be uploading the document from. Choose the file from your location and click the Open button to start the upload process. Once the file has finished uploading, click the Submit button. If the form was submitted successfully, you will receive an alert box informing you that the form submitted successfully, and you will automatically be taken back to the AgilePoint dashboard. Next, we will navigate back to our opportunity in a new browser window. Right-click on Opportunities in the top menu and select Open in a new tab. On your Opportunities page, click on Burlington Textiles. Once on the Burlington Textiles page, scroll down to the Notes and Attachments section. Here you will be able to see the attachments or files that were uploaded to the Upload NDA task. Let's go back to our process model viewer that we have open in the other browser tab. As you can see, our application moved to the Review NDA task, which is contacting the external user by sending out an email. If you go to your email, you will see the NDA document is ready for your review email in your inbox. Open the email to review the contents. You can see that it was sent to the primary contact and it has a link to open the task. Click on the Click Here link in the email to open it. This will open the NDA review form and will log you in as the anonymous user. You can also copy and paste this URL in a private browser window to see how the anonymous task opens the form for the user without asking for credentials. Click on the Review Action tab. You can see the file that was uploaded in the NDA document section. In the first go-through of this application, I will click on the Cancel Request radio button. It will show you the cancellation disclaimer. Click the checkbox next to the disclaimer to approve the cancellation. Then click the Submit button. Let's go back to our process model viewer that we have open in the other browser tab. As you can see, our application has moved through the cancel request leg of the condition and the next 4 tasks completing our process. The first task our cancel request went through was the cancellation notification, which will send an email to your email account. If you go back to the opportunity and refresh the page, you will see that the stage field will have been changed from proposal price quote to closed loss. The opportunity owner will still be the original. It would not have changed. If you scroll down to the Notes and Attachments section, you will see the note has come in saying NDA request canceled by the client. You can see the first go-through of our application has worked as we have designed. Let's reset our opportunity stage to proposal price quote, which will initiate the workflow again. This way we can test the other branch of our NDA review process model workflow. Click on Edit in the top menu of the Opportunity Details section. Change the stage to proposal price quote and click the Save button in the top menu. Click on the Workflow History button. Now you will see 2 NDA review applications listed. One with the status of completed and the other with the status of running. Click on the View Process link of the running application. You can see that it has gone through the Salesforce Get Opportunity Owner Information task again, and it is now sitting at the Upload NDA step. This time, let's open the task from the Activity Information Upload NDA window that we get when we click on the Upload NDA task in the Process Viewer. This will open the form. Click on Drop Files here to upload and choose the file. Click the Submit button. Go back to the Burlington Textiles Opportunity and scroll down to the Notes and Attachments section to see the new file that was uploaded. If you do not see the new file, refresh your browser to apply any updates. Let's go back to our Process Model Viewer that we have already open in our other browser tab. As you can see, our application moved to the Review NDA task, which is contacting the external user by sending out an email. If you go to your email, you will see that you have the NDA document is ready for your review email again in your inbox. Open the email and you will again see that it sent the email to the primary contact and that it has a link for the task. Click on the Click Here link in the email to open it. Again, this will open the NDA review form and will log you on as an anonymous user. You can review the information and then click on the Review Action tab. Here you can again see that the file was uploaded to the NDA document section. This time we will click on the Request Revision radio button. In the Review Comments box, type Change Organization Name from Inc. to Corp. Click the Add Comment button. This will add the comment to the document. Click the Submit button. Let's go back to our Process Model Viewer that we have open in the other browser tab. As you can see, our application has moved through the Request Revision leg of the condition and is now sitting at the Review NDA task and has been assigned to the legal team. There can be multiple people assigned to the legal team that would have all been notified of the Review NDA task. As you can see, there is an email of the task in my email account. If a legal team member has a Salesforce ID, they can log into Salesforce and go to their AgilePoint dashboard to access the task from their My Task tab. Then click on Revise NDA in the task name column. If the legal team member does not have a Salesforce ID, they can log into their AgilePoint portal with a non-Salesforce ID and access the task from there. To do that, they would go to AgilePoint NX and log in with their AgilePoint ID or their Active Directory ID and click on Work Center in the top menu. Then you would click on the My Task tab and see the list of tasks that are available. So what we will do is act like a non-Salesforce user and open the task from AgilePoint. It will still show you the Salesforce data and will even allow you to edit it, including the uploading of documents. To begin, click on the Revise NDA task and select Open Task from the list. Once the form has been opened, click on the Review Action tab. Click the Yes Radio button under Legal Action. Then click on the Upload NDA Document Upload box and choose the revised version of the document. You also have the option to remove the previous version of the document that was uploaded, but for this demo, we will leave it. Click the Submit button. Go back to the Burlington Textiles Opportunity Browser tab that we have open. Refresh the page and scroll down to the Notes and Attachments section. You will see the revised attachment or file that was uploaded. Let's go back to our process model viewer that we have open in the other browser tab. You will see that the task has moved from Review NDA in Legal to Review NDA in Account Contact. Now let's go back to your email. You will have received another NDA document is ready for you to review email. Open the email and click on the Click Here link to open the form. Once the form has been opened, click the Review Action tab. On this time through, we will say the revisions of the NDA document are okay, and we will check the Print, Sign, and Upload radio button. From here, you will print off the document, sign it, and then scan the document. Next, after the document has been scanned back into your computer, click on Drop Files here to upload and choose the document that has been signed. Once the document has been uploaded, click the Submit button. Let's go back to our process model viewer that we have open in our other browser tab. You will see that the task has moved from Review NDA and Account Contact through the condition to the Salesforce Deliver Proposal task. Go back to the Burlington Textiles Opportunity Browser tab that we have open. Refresh the page and go to the Open Activities section. You will see that the Deliver Proposal to Client Salesforce task has been created in this opportunity. This completes the content of this video and the content of this series. Please visit http://www.agilepoint.com for more information about AgilePoint NX. Thank you.